If you're interested in buying a home in Sun City Roseville, the one I'm about to show you is the most beautiful home I've seen in a decade. Let's take a tour. My name is Sherri Walker. I'm a local realtor and a resident here in Sun City Roseville, and this model I'm about to show you is a Delta Breeze. We're starting in the kitchen. Look at how gorgeous this is. Every detail has been upgraded and meticulously designed. Let's just take a look all through the kitchen. Beautiful range. I love the wine rack. I haven't seen another house that has this. And this is very modernized as well. See the little circle that I'm moving around on the screen? That's a beautiful fireplace right there. And they had this set up like a movie room. I love that. One of the other things that they did was they moved the laundry into the garage so that they could create this great pantry room. Look at all the space you have in here. It's fantastic. This is, again, the Delta Breeze model, 2,287 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Right here we have one of the bedrooms. It's usually used as an office. Let's go on in. Now, in this case, he has removed the doors to use this as shelving, which I think is very clever. There you have it. But we could always put the doors back on. And right here is the half bath. As you can see, there's quartz throughout the house, kitchen and in the bathrooms. The designer who worked on this house did such a great job. Here you have the formal dining and living space. And I want to turn around and I want to show you the doors. I have these on my house. These are so beautiful. The glass actually opens up and there's screen there, so you can get a nice cross breeze if you'd like that. That's a pretty penny too, about $7,000 if I remember correctly. This is the primary bedroom, very spacious. As you can see, it has a door out to the backyard. In the backyard, we're only doing a tour of the interior today, but the backyard is fabulous as well. There's a great retractable awning and built-in barbecue space. It's great for entertaining. And then here is the guest bedroom down here. All of the closets have nice storage systems. This guest bedroom is an ensuite. There you have it. It's very beautiful. Usually there's a tub in this room, but it's nicer when there's a shower like this one has. I'm doing an open house at this property today, which is, what are we at? June 27th or 28th, whatever Saturday is. And the address is 5048 Frontier Lane. The open house is from 1 to 3 today. If you miss it, feel free to text me or contact me at my phone number below, and I will get in touch with you. Thanks and have a fabulous day. Oh, the list price on this is $849. As I'm fond of saying, living in Sun City is like being on vacation. Ciao for now.